and I am going to take class of class 9th. Topic is computer system. Earlier in our earlier classes, we have discussed about different types of computer, part of computer, and input devices. In our last class, we have learned about different input devices. We have learned about keyboard, which is also known as standard input device, mouse, joystick, point, uh, camera, MICR, OBR, OMR, OCR, and scanner. Different types of scanner we have discussed, and now we have to learn about the output device. Output device, or we can say output unit. We will learn about CPU in later classes. After our input unit, we have to learn output unit, then we will learn central processing unit. Now output unit is the unit in which user receive the result or output from the data or instruction input from the input unit. After processing, it gives the result. Here communication is performed from machine to user, whereas in input unit, communication performed from user to machine, and here from output unit, communication is performed from machine to user. Here main output devices monitor. Output device is monitor. It is also known as VDU, or it is also known as VDU or visual display unit. It is also known as standard output device. It is also known as standard output device. Standard input device was keyboard, and standard output device is monitor. It is also known as visual display unit. Now we can here the main unit, main thing is to represent the information on output devices on monitor is pixel. Pixel is just a dot on the monitor. Pixel is just a dot on the monitor. From the combination of dots or pixels makes anything visible on the screen of the monitor. So pixel is elementary unit of the display, and according to the pixel, one more term is associated, and which is resolution. And what is resolution? Resolution is combination of pixels on the monitor. Higher the density of the pixel, create the higher resolution, and lower the density of the pixel is the lower resolution. If resolution is higher, then picture quality is very much better, and if resolution is lower, then picture quality is dim. So picture quality it depends upon the resolution of the monitor, or and resolution depends on the number of pixels on the screen. Now we can divide the monitor. We can divide the output unit of monitor in different categories as monitor. First category we can divide according to position. According to position, what is the meaning of according to position? It is the position from where the monitor is placed. There are different types of monitor according to position. One is Desktop monitor. Desktop means where monitor is placed on the desk for working. Desktop. Laptop. Desktop monitor, laptop monitor. It is also known as notebook. Next is palm top monitor. But in general, available monitors are desktop or laptop. Your tablet is palm top monitor. Tablet nowadays is used, which is of category palm top monitor. Next type of category is, first is according to position. Second type is according to resolution, and according to resolution they are into different categories. Number one, monochrome monitor. Monochrome monitor, where only black and white monitor is there. In it we can use only textual matter, we cannot use graphical matter in it. Next is CGA. CGA is color graphics. CGA is color graphics adapter. It also support the text only. It also not support the graphics. Next is HGA. HGA is Herculean graphics adapter. After that it is EGA. What is EGA? EGA is enhanced graphics adapter. In all it from HGA, graphical work can perform on the, it can display the graphical on the monitor, graphics on the monitor. Next, VGA. VGA is video graphics adapter or video graphics array. There are different category of VGA, but the popular or common category is 640 cross 480. What is the meaning of 640 cross 480? Means 640 pixels on horizontal direction and 480 pixels on vertical direction. It is a monitor. 640 pixels in the horizontal direction and 480 pixels on the vertical direction. Nowadays, VGA is most popular monitor is in use. After that, SVGA. SVGA is Super VGA. Super VGA, it is in general here its resolution is 1500 cross 1000, and nowadays whether either VGA monitor or EGA VGA monitor is in use. Nowadays VGA monitor or EGA VGA monitor is in use, but in general mostly VGA monitor is in use. Now last but not the least is according to principle. According to principle, we can divide the monitor into different categories. As number one is CRT. CRT is cathode ray tube. It is here cathode ray. What is cathode ray? It is just a picture tube. Earlier monitor is like this. Earlier monitor, which was earlier TV, we had used, the screen is known as the picture tube or known as cathode ray tube. Here a glass plate is coated with a element which reflect the image. Here an electrode is placed and some director which move the electrons to the screen, and when electron move from the electrode, it diverts the electron beam to the screen, where when each electron beam strikes on the paper on the monitor, it heats up the particle of the coded material, and from the heating of that particular particle, that particle glows and represent the pixel or dot on the screen. When number of electrons strike on the screen, it creates a group of dot or pixel, create the image or any textual matter on the screen. So here electron beam strike on the screen and the particle is heated and glow, and when it dims, again electron beam strike at that position, though represent that particular image on the screen. So it is CRT, but nowadays it is obsolete, it is not in use. Second is LCD. LCD is liquid crystal display. Here instead of electron beams, here glass utensil filled up with the viscous liquid, and when electric is passed on that particular liquid, particle of that liquid glow, and from their glow it represent the information on the screen. It is available on laptop, so laptop is in the category of LCD. Your calculator, laptop, etc. support the LCD monitor. And older TV or monitor was CRT. Next is LED. LED is light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is here a glass box. Electrodes are there which transmit the electrons, and from their heating a particle glows and information displayed on the glass plate. Next is plasma panel. What is plasma panel? Here glass utensil is filled with the gas and electrode. There is an electrode, and when current electric pass through that particular electrode, it strike on the electron strikes on the gas particle, and from the strike on the gas particle, and gas particle glows while heating and displays the information. Nowadays LED and plasma panel is popular. Next is TFT. What is TFT? TFT is thin film transistor. In general, TFT is popular than LED and plasma because of their cost. TFT is cheaper than LED and plasma. TFT is thin film transistor. So it is, but all of them, LED and plasma is better in quality, but for the cost it is cheaper than other, and CRT is obsolete nowadays. We will discuss on different types of monitor and output devices in our next class. Thank you.